Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start with MS Word. So how will you open MS Word? You will click on start button and here you will write Word. So this MS Word will be opened. Now today I will tell you some basics about MS Word. See, this is the window of MS Word. This is your document, this white page which you can see. This is your document. It has one cursor blinking here. If you type anything, okay, the letters will come here on this white page. This is called document. Now I will tell you some basic things of MS Word. Like if you want to write anything here on this page, like here I am writing one sentence, this is a boy. Okay, now how will you change the size of the letters? This font size, how will you change? You will select this and then on the home tab there is one font size button. You will select the font size from here and the size of the font will be changed like this. Now second one, how will you change the font style of your writing? So here on the top, this is font style button. You will click here and you will get so many styles. You can choose any style of writing from here. See, the style of writing is changing. So any style you can choose from here and you can write in any stylish way as you want. This capital B button, this is called bold button, which makes your letter bold. This you can see if I am choosing any other font style here. See, this is my text. If I click on bold button, see, the letters are becoming thicker. This is the work of bold button. Italic makes your text in slanting way. See, you can see the difference. This is slanting. U, that is underline button. If you click on this button, the text will get underlined. Now how will you change the color of your font? See here, whatever you have written, this is coming in black color. If you want to change the color of the font, select it and there is one font color button. You can select any color from here. Okay, and there are more color option also. You can choose any color from here and click on OK and you can see the change in the font color. The font color will be changed like this. See, you can, there is one more button, that is increase font size button and decrease font size button. If you click on increase font size button, from here also you can increase the size of the font. How much you want, you can increase. And if you click on decrease font size button, you can decrease the size, font of the size from here. So this much is for today. Next topic I will continue in the next class. Thank you.